Welcome back to Daily Drives, the place where real riders, real machines, and real reviews meet. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss out on our latest updates about the world of bikes, rickshaws, and all things on wheels. Today, we have something really exciting lined up. We are going deep into the Honda GL150 Cargo Rickshaw 2026, a fresh upgrade that's already creating some serious buzz in the market. So sit tight, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes the GL150 Cargo a strong contender for the best rickshaw in its class. First off, let's talk about Honda's reputation in the rickshaw and cargo vehicle sector. Honda has always been a brand associated with durability, efficiency, and low maintenance. Their entry into the cargo rickshaw market was met with a lot of excitement, and they've managed to carve out a loyal base of customers who swear by the Honda GL series. With the 2026 model, Honda has decided to step up their game, focusing heavily on reliability, performance, and driver comfort. Starting with the engine, the 2026 Honda GL150 Cargo is powered by a refined 150cc 4-stroke engine. It's air-cooled, which means you don't have to worry too much about overheating even when you're pushing heavy loads through busy city streets or tackling long rural routes. The new engine tuning promises better torque at lower RPMs, which is exactly what cargo drivers need: more pulling power without putting unnecessary strain on the motor. Honda has worked on optimizing the combustion process too, making the GL150 more fuel efficient without sacrificing performance. Moving on to the transmission, the GL150 Cargo features a smooth 5-speed gearbox. The shifts feel more crisp compared to previous versions, and the gear ratios have been adjusted slightly for better load handling. Whether you're carrying light deliveries or heavy commercial goods, the gearing ensures the vehicle doesn't struggle on slopes or rough terrains. Honda knows that every second counts for cargo operators, and they've really fine-tuned the ride to be as responsive as possible. Now, let's talk about the chassis and frame. The 2026 model uses a reinforced tubular frame designed to carry heavier loads while maintaining excellent balance and stability. The suspension system is another area where Honda has made improvements. The front fork has been beefed up with thicker tubes and better damping, and the rear suspension now features twin shock absorbers with adjustable settings. This means drivers can fine-tune the ride comfort depending on the type and weight of the cargo they're transporting. Less vibration, smoother rides, and longer hours behind the wheel without fatigue. That's the promise Honda is delivering this time. Braking is critical in cargo vehicles, and Honda hasn't cut any corners here. The front now features a larger drum brake with better heat dissipation, and the rear drum brake has been improved for more consistent stopping power. While some might have expected a disc brake upgrade, Honda has chosen to stick with drum brakes for their ease of maintenance and reliability, especially in regions where service centers might not be easily accessible. Let's dive into the design and ergonomics next. The Honda GL150 Cargo has a more modern look while still being very practical. The rickshaw cabin is designed with maximum driver visibility and comfort in mind. The seating position is upright, the handlebar is wide for easy maneuvering, and there's ample space for leg movement. The footrests have been repositioned to reduce driver fatigue during long hours of operation. The dashboard is simple but functional, featuring a speedometer, fuel gauge, gear indicator, and warning lights that are all easy to read even under direct sunlight. Honda has also thought about small but meaningful details. The headlights have been upgraded to brighter halogen bulbs, providing much better night visibility. There's a stronger rear LED brake light too, making sure your cargo rickshaw is visible even in low light conditions. Safety and practicality go hand in hand here. Cargo space, of course, is one of the main concerns for anyone considering a rickshaw like this. The GL150 Cargo comes with a redesigned rear cargo bed that's sturdier and slightly bigger than the previous models. It features strong metal side panels and an easy open tailgate. Whether you're carrying construction materials, groceries, furniture, or anything in between, the loading and unloading process is fast and hassle-free. Honda has also added better anchoring points for ropes and nets. helping you secure your goods safely. Fuel efficiency has always been one of Honda's strong points, and the 2026 GL150 Cargo doesn't disappoint. Depending on load and driving style, you can expect around 40 to 45 kilometers per liter, which is extremely competitive for a cargo vehicle in this category. The fuel tank capacity is around 8 liters, giving you a decent range before needing to refuel, ideal for city operations as well as semi-urban routes. One of the highlights that Honda is proud of with this model is the maintenance schedule. They've stretched service intervals and made the engine easier to work on, meaning less time and money spent on workshops. The air filter is easier to access and clean, the oil change process has been simplified, and common spare parts are more widely available and affordable. For cargo operators where downtime means lost income, this is a huge plus. Honda has also introduced an optional warranty package with the GL150 Cargo. It covers major components for up to 2 years or 30,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. For anyone relying on their rickshaw for daily income, this peace of mind is worth considering. Of course, pricing is always a big factor. As of now, the Honda GL150 Cargo 2026 is competitively priced compared to its rivals, striking a good balance between affordability and premium build quality. It's not the cheapest option out there, but when you factor in durability, lower maintenance costs, better fuel economy, and higher resale value, it becomes a very smart investment in the long run. To sum it all up, the Honda GL150 Cargo 2026 is more than just an update, it's a serious tool built for serious work. Whether you're an independent delivery driver, a fleet operator, or a business owner needing a tough and reliable workhorse, the GL150 Cargo checks all the right boxes. Honda has clearly listened to the needs of their users and delivered a machine that's practical, powerful, and profitable. That's all for today's detailed review of the Honda GL150 Cargo Rickshaw 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, share this video with your friends who might be thinking about upgrading their cargo vehicles, and don't forget to subscribe to Daily Drives for more in-depth reviews, tips, and updates from the world of bikes and rickshaws. Also, drop a comment below and tell us what you think about the new Honda GL150 Cargo. Would you consider it for your business? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep riding smart, keep driving safe, and stay tuned to Daily Drives.